Welcome back, everybody. I'm hungry for breakfast burritos. And I want to do a big old giveaway. Breakfast burritos and breakfast quesadilla is probably my #1 favorite thing to make on the Blackstone. But I want to hold you over. I want to make sure you stick around to the end of the video because a huge shout out to my friends. Tortilla Familia sent me a big sample pack of all their favorite flour tortillas. So stay tuned till the end and we're going to give away one of these big old packs. First things first, potatoes. Any type of potato will do. People always asking questions. What type of potato can I use? Any type of potato. You don't even need to soak these in the water. Just give them a slice and we're gonna dice these up into small pieces. We're gonna use bacon and bacon grease and these will cook up really quick. Any type of recipe that I'm gonna have small ingredients in, like a taco, a burrito, or quesadilla, I don't wanna have huge pieces of any type of food in there. You want little bite-sized pieces so you can get all the flavors into every bite. Potatoes are done. Bacon definitely cuts better when it's cold or semi-frozen, so try your best. Cut this up into little pieces, just like I do with my famous bacon fried corn recipe that I have not cooked in forever. So let me know in the comments down below if you want me to go back and make some bacon fried corn, because that's something that I haven't made here on my channel in probably a couple of years. We've done it, of course, on the Blackstone Channel and on the Griddle More Tour. So if you're new to my channel, or if you haven't been around in a while, remember that I was the first person that used the Blackstone Griddle on social media almost 12 years ago. So I have a weekly show over there. It's called Let's Give It a Try. There's a new episode every single week. Literally 52 new shows a year. Blackstone products right here on YouTube. I have my Blackstone Pro Series heated up. I put that on medium low, straight down with my bacon. Of course, lots of grease, lots of oil. That's gonna start cooking. Love that avocado oil. Later on, we're gonna incorporate the bacon grease. Be careful if you're using your bare hands like I am. It is a hot griddle top. Down with the potatoes. A little bit of taco seasoning. Love to use Southwestern or taco seasoning in my potatoes. The key is red chili and cumin. Check out that bacon. Cooking really nice. Have that temperature down low so we don't burn the bacon. Gets me in the mood for a good old-fashioned spatula flip. Gonna get a bunch of eggs ready for later. As per usual, I filled my bowl too high, so I'm gonna carefully break these yolks and beat the eggs. Potatoes are looking real nice. Look at how golden brown those are. Bacon is cooking, but it needs some time still. Bacon is looking incredible and the potatoes are really close. So this is where the magic happens. We mix the potatoes with the bacon. Oh my goodness. Also, by the way, love to do this recipe with chorizo. Done a lot of videos with that lately. Probably like 10 videos with chorizo over the last 6 months. So we're taking a break. We're gonna use bacon today just like they do at Alfonso's. I think everything looks perfect. Gonna slide it down to the far end of my griddle and time to pull that delicious looking bacon and potato mixture. Take advantage of all that bacon grease. Gonna come down here, I'm gonna turn off 3 of these burners. Just gonna leave this one on low. Let the griddle cool off for a few minutes. Down with my big old bowl of eggs. I forgot how many that is. I think 10. And we'll just rain those in. Put a little more of that taco seasoning in there. Just gonna gently fold these and they'll cook up. Even though the griddle is barely on, 3 burners off and 1 on low, those will cook up, as you see, in just a couple of minutes. In for the eggs. Do you know how much I love this stuff right here? This particular brand of the queso quesadilla, it just melts better than anything else. But at the same time, you'll see that's looking a little bit yellowy. So today, you know, we have to put some bright orange sharp cheddar in there because we want things to look nice. fresh cilantro. You know that I'm a big cilantro guy. If I had to only pick one herb to use the rest of my life, you know I'm into Italian food, so I love basil and all that stuff, but it's gotta be cilantro. Cilantro all day, every day. This is gonna brighten everything up. It's gonna taste delicious, and add a splash of green. Burrito mix is looking good. Time to clean that griddle. Scraper, easy peasy. When you're cleaning up a burrito, taco, quesadilla mess, it is as easy as a very, very light scrape. That took me 20 seconds max right there. And the griddle is still warm. I have that one burner on. You always want to make sure that your griddle top is warm. Make sure it's hot, because the grease solidifies when it's cold. Just makes things easier. Now we're still gonna toast up our burritos, but you know me, every time I'm done cooking, I always put a light coat of oil on my griddle top, rubbing it in, being careful. You can use tongs or gloves if you want to, but since I was a fry cook at Applebee's 30 years ago, I've always been used to hot grease around my fingers, so just be careful. The giveaway, the time you've been waiting for. Tortilla Familia, check it out. They've got it all. They've got taco, gordita, they've got burritos, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. This is their sample pack, so the winner is going to get the sample pack. As soon as you see their tortillas, you're going to notice the difference. Made in Mexico. Look at these things. Absolutely beautiful. So they're cooked, but we're gonna toast these up more. Oh my goodness. I mean, have you ever seen a tortilla straight out of the package look that good? Their tortillas come with complete instructions. They arrive in plastic bags. You take them out and you put them in these little zipper bags. They'll keep in your refrigerator for a couple of weeks or in your freezer for a long time. Oh mama, look at those. It's shout out day today. Shout out to my buddy Philip Peterson from Idaho, a very, very long time subscriber. He sent me this homemade salsa. You know me, just like with chorizo, I am the roasted green chili guy. But we're gonna take a break from the roasted green chilies today because he sent me this salsa. A preliminary, let's give it a try before I've even made the burritos. Some of that homemade salsa from my buddy Philip. And you know me, quesadillas, tacos, burritos. Typically, I'm putting that crema in there, that Mexican sour cream. If you want to win a big sample pack like I have here, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and you need to leave a comment down below letting me know what you would do with these tortillas. Tell me the kind of things you want to make. Let me know. Tacos, gorditas, maybe you've got a special ingredient. Let me know down below. So comment, make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you live in the US, in the lower 48, and we'll pick a winner here, probably within a week or so of the video being uploaded. We'll have my friends at Tortilla Familia send out a big old care package, just like the one that you saw here today. You're probably gonna get on your back porch, just like I am, and have yourself a burrito, taco, or quesadilla party. The griddle is still pretty darn hot. You have to know your griddle. If you're on a 17-inch griddle with one burner, so very cool when you have those 4 burners. I can look at the burritos and realize I want just a little more color. Come down here, you have those extra burners. Put those back on low as well. Time for a flip. Bottom is looking really nice. Oh man, look at that color. Gorgeous golden brown. They are looking good. I just remembered that I haven't told anybody here on my channel about the brand new Blackstone 900 pellet grill. So if you want more information on that, I have a lot of videos this fall over on Let's Give It a Try. It's the second pellet grill. Of course, there is the first one that's the griddle and pellet grill combo, and there's another one out now that has this pellet grill with an air fryer. You can do cold smoking, and you can smoke things in the air fryer, all kinds of crazy stuff. So awesome. And I'll probably be bringing you something here on my channel with that soon. 7 burritos calls for a big board. Let's cut one of these in 2. Woo-hoo. check it out. Of course, I have to have a little bit of that crema on there before I start eating it. Just a personal thing. And you know me, I have to have that Cholula chili garlic. Let's give it a try. It's all about that tortilla. If you want to win the big sample pack like you saw here today, my friends from Tortilla Familia is going to hook one of you up. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the breakfast burritos.